Some places don't just take your breath away. They make you feel like you have left Earth behind. This is the ice lake, frozen in time, still, silent, surreal.
There was a time when I was lonely.
And then suddenly, movement. A seal gliding through the water. A reminder that life still exists in this vast icy silence.
Baby, then you came along. I know I never felt that strong.
Everywhere I look is just ice, pure, untouched, majestic. This is not cold, it's primal. We use a steamer to travel across it, like cutting through a mirror made of glass. And then the world changes. Snow gives way to rugged terrains, winding lakes and towering mountains. Birds soar freely in the sky, like they know they're flying over something sacred. With friends, we trekked through alien landscapes, barefoot, chill winds, and heart full of fire.
Of gratefulness, lift up your voice and sing. Lift up a shout of praise. Oh.
And just when you think it's over, a final view of the lake, still reflective and eternal. From the window of our car, the scenes rode like a dream. Miles of untouched beauty, where only nature speaks. Met a few strangers on the trail, no words needed. Just smile, nods, and share awe.
Waiting for a sign to show me my way in. The only point I reach is frustration. And then back again.
Iceland is not a destination. It's a reminder that the world is still full of wonders if we are willing to explore. And sometimes to meet yourself, you have to go far away.